You know that dull ache in your neck or upper back? The one that lingers from yesterday's stress or last night's sleep? It doesn't just go away on its own. It stacks and steals your energy before your day even begins. Today, we interrupt that cycle. Let's hit the mat. Start in tabletop, walk your hands forward, lower your chest toward the mat, hips stacked over knees. Let your forehead or chin rest down. Reach just a little further. The stretch reaches into the tension we ignore, the tightness under the shoulders and behind the heart. We spend most of the day hunched forward. This stretch pulls you back into balance. I promise just 1 minute here will open your upper spine, release shoulder pressure, and improve posture without strain. Beginners, keep arms wider for less pressure. Advanced stretches, drop your chin and lift your elbows slightly and deepen the chest melt. Here's what's wild. This one stretch can increase overhead mobility instantly, so stay with it. Breathe deep. Five more seconds. That just unlocked your upper back. Now let's twist it open. From all fours, slide your right arm under the left armpit and across the mat. Drop your shoulder and temple down. Left hand can reach forward or press into the ground. This is where emotional stress hides, in the muscles between your shoulders. If yesterday felt heavy, this is where it landed. I promise this movement melts upper back knots and resets your neck without any cracking or popping. Beginners, keep hips stacked and twist gently. Advanced stretches, walk the left fingers forward and press down for a deeper spiral. Feel that tug behind your shoulder blade? That's tension leaving your body. Hold it. 5 seconds. Now switch sides. Left arm threads under. Find your depth. Let your exhale carry the weight. Notice the imbalance? Now side tighter. That's not weakness, it's insight. Your body's telling you exactly where it's holding on. Stay with it. 5 more seconds. Let the back unravel. That just released your thoracic spine. Now let's extend it forward. Lie flat on your belly. Hands beneath your shoulders. Inhale and slowly press up. Lifting your chest. Keep elbows soft, hips grounded. This move is a full body reminder. You can rise slowly and still rise strong. It decompresses the lower spine and reopens the front body after long hours of sitting or scrolling. I promise the stretch will boost circulation, restore postural control, and reduce back fatigue. Beginners, stay low with your forearms down, Sphinx pose. Advanced stretches, press higher, but don't let your shoulders creep up. Here's a surprising twist. Your spine craves gentle compression and release. It's how it rehydrates. Breathe deep. Final 5 seconds. That just stretched your core front. Now let's activate the back. Come to all fours. Extend your right arm and left leg. Reach forward and back. Engage your abs. Hold steady. Then switch sides at the halfway point. This is your balance check-in. It's not about being still, it's about being steady. I promise this activates your deep core, strengthens spinal stabilizers, and improves everyday posture. Beginners, keep hands on the shoulders and knees on the hips. Advanced, pause each rep, add small pulses or close your eyes. Here's your challenge. Can you stay perfectly still for the last 5 seconds? Left side now. Breathe and balance. That just opened your core. Now let's finish by opening the back chain. Stand tall. Step your feet wide. Hinge at your hips and reach down. Alternating left hand to right foot, then right hand to left foot. This move isn't just a hamstring stretch. It's a posture correction tool. The spine decompresses, your hamstrings lengthen, and your mind grounds. I promise you'll finish the stretch with a clearer head and looser hips. Beginners, bend your knees as needed. Advanced, keep legs straighter and reach deeper each time. Let's play a little game. Give me 10 alternating touches. Smooth, steady. Let your breath lead. Hold the last one for 5 seconds. Deeper. That just cleared your headspace and reconnected your entire chain from spine to feet.